Good morning, lecturers and all participants in this seminar. I'm Cindy Loppies, and now I would like to present to you my research proposal under the title The Male and Female EFL Students' Ways on Constructing Ideas in Speaking, a survey on students in a speaking class teaching activities at English Education Study Program. Here in my proposal, there are three chapters that I will present to you. The first chapter is Introduction, the second chapter is Literature Review, and the third chapter is Research Methodology. Now, I would like to present to you the first chapter, which is Introduction. In this morning era, generally in a classroom, there are female and male students in almost all schools in Indonesia. They learn together in the same class, get the same lesson with the same teachers. In addition, male and female get the same knowledge and the same treatment from the teacher. However, males and females are in unequal conditions. Both of them are different. They are not only different physically or mentally, but they are also different in their ability in English speaking. According to Firia and Subserian 2014, males tend to be visual and females tend to be auditory. Moreover, according to Natsir 2013 too, state that males and females have their own style in their learning process which relates to their ability. And also according to Safar and Menaksi 2012, state that one of the factors as influencing individual learner differences in language learning is sex. Therefore, language and gender have a big contribution to the learning process because males and females have a different ability which affect different achievement, especially in learning foreign language. Thus, many research has shown that between males and female EFL students have different ability in their speaking skill. However, they have also different ways on constructing their ideas and perceive their ability in speaking class. This research was designed in order to answer two research questions which are first, how the male and female EFL students ways on constructing ideas in speaking class, and the second is how the male and female EFL students perceive their ability in constructing ideas in speaking class. And the research objective, the first is to know the students' ability between male and female ways on constructing ideas in speaking class, and the second is to know how the students can perceive their ability on constructing ideas in speaking class. Now, we move to the next chapter, which is Literature Review. In this chapter, which is Literature Review, there are some theoretical review that I already mentioned, as you can see on the slide. In this chapter, which is research methodology, this research will be used qualitative research that the researcher will use survey method. According to Kerlinger 1973, survey method or survey research studies large and small population or universes by selecting and studying samples chosen from the population to discover the relative incidence, distribution, and interrelations of sociological and physiological variables. And in line with that, according to Newman 2003, state that surveys are quantitative based. The survey asks many people called respondent about their belief, opinions, characters, and past or present behavior. The next is setting and participant. This research will be conducted at English Education Study Program in the male and female EFL students in speaking class, and the participant is 50 males and 50 females EFL students in speaking class. In this research, the researcher will use two instruments to collecting the data. The first one is questionnaire and the second one is in-depth interview. The first one is questionnaire. As you can see on the slide, to analyze the questionnaire, the researcher will use the formula by Sudijono as cited in WAHI 2017. As you can see on the slide, the formula is used as tools to calculate the percentage, the answer, and the questions, and then the data will be described based on the result of the percentage. While to analyze the in-depth interview, the researcher will use interactive model of analysis. As you can see on the slide, in-depth interview is a qualitative research technique involved conducting intensive individual interviews with a small number of respondents to explore their perspectives on a particular idea, program, or situation. So the researcher analyzed the result of the interview using some recordings of the interview. The data have been coded, developed, and reported in manageable ways to get a clear answer to the research problem. So that's all about my presentation today. Thank you.